Hello dear students, in this session we will study dual cycle engine. Figure 1 is showing the PV diagram for the dual cycle and figure 2 is showing the TS diagram for the dual cycle. PV is pressure volume diagram, TS is temperature entropy diagram. Process 1-2 is reversible adiabatic compression. Process 2-3 is heat addition at constant volume. Process 3-4 is heat addition at constant pressure. Process 4-5 is reversible adiabatic expansion, and process 5-1 is heat rejection at constant volume. Since in this process heat is added at two process, that is at constant volume and as well as at constant pressure, so it is known as dual cycle. Now QS is total heat supplied, that is the summation of QS1 plus QS2. QS1 is heat supplied at constant volume, so mathematically we can write it as mCV T3 minus T2, and QS2 is the heat supplied at constant pressure, so we can write it as mCP T4 minus T3. Now QI is heat rejected, that is at constant volume, so we can write it as mCV T5 minus T1. Now important terms in diesel cycle engine. First one is compression ratio, that is R is equal to V1 by V2. Second is expansion ratio, RE, that is V5 by V4. Third is cutoff ratio, that is alpha equal to V4 by V3. And fourth term is pressure ratio, that is newly added in this cycle, that is beta equal to P3 by P2. Now efficiency for diesel cycle engine, formula is net work done upon total heat supplied. Net work done can be written as QS minus QR. So efficiency will be 1 minus QR by QS, and QS is the summation of QS1 plus QS2. Finally, after putting the values of QR, QS1 and QS2, we will get the value of efficiency as 1 minus 1 by R to the power gamma minus 1 beta into alpha to the power gamma minus 1 divided by beta minus 1 plus beta into gamma into alpha minus 1. This is your homework to derive this relation. Now write some important notes. First point is, if cutoff ratio is 1, that is alpha is 1, what will happen? 0.4 and 0.3 will become coincide, and this dual cycle engine become Otto cycle engine. Second note is, if beta is 1, beta means pressure ratio. If pressure ratio is 1, it means 0.2 and 3 will coincide, and the dual cycle engine will become diesel cycle engine.